Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my latest Motivation Monday, getting you motivated for the week. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a power hour, getting the cleaning and the housework done after a pretty full-on week with the boys at home on school holidays. I have an empty house for an hour. Clint has taken the boys out, so I've made a list and I'm going to set a timer for an hour, and I'm just going to dedicate an hour of my weekend to getting a few things done so that I feel clear-headed and I can have a fun family weekend. I'm going to start by sorting out the laundry. I need to take all of this clean washing down off the dryer, and then I'm going to go upstairs and get some dirty washing ready to be put on.
Good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but
like I said, I'm going to grab some dirty washing. Today it is out of mine and Clint's washing. It's different person every day usually, and today it's our go. I'm going to grab a couple of these baskets and I'm going to take them downstairs and I'm going to put them in the washing machine and turn it on.
all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good.
Now that the washing machine is doing its thing, I'm going to move into the kitchen and I need to empty the dishwasher that I haven't done today already, put everything away and load up anything that is in the sink into the dishwasher. As you can see, I've used about 10 minutes of my hour so far, so it's going pretty well.
A good time, count on me. There's a party in the back.
I'm going to spend a few minutes working around the dining table now. I don't know what this cake is doing here, but I'm just going to clear the surface, and I really want to work on the area around the dining table, particularly the floors. As I said, the boys have been home for a week, eating here obviously 3 times a day rather than 2. So there are extra crumbs and food mess all around the dining table that I want to sort out. So I'm going to start just by wiping down the top of the dining table, and then I'm going to move all of the furniture out of the way so that I can hoover properly underneath, and I will also get out the speed mop and work that onto the floors as well.
All about the good vibes. Thought I was losing who I call myself today. In this world of illusion, didn't dare to sing my name. That was when you came along, and I don't know.
As I said, now that I have vacuumed up all of the food crumbs, I'm going to use the flash speed mop just to really work the area under the boys' chairs. For obvious reasons, this is where the food tends to fall. So I'm just going to scrub it and get off any little bits of food that have just been stuck on the floor. I did find a lovely little stubborn food mark, and for this one I needed to get down on my hands and knees and really work it, but I managed to get it off.
I just couldn't handle it. Still smelled a bit.
Next thing I want to do are the toilets and the sinks in the busiest bathrooms, which is the upstairs bathroom, the one that you're seeing me in right now, and the downstairs toilet as well. Those are the ones that get the most traffic. They're the ones I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to start just by using the Lysol wipes to wipe down the exterior of the toilet, because obviously I'm on a clock today and I'm trying to be quick, and I'm going to use the Clorox, is it Clorox or Clorox toilet wand? I think it's Clorox if I'm saying that right, because again it's super quick and efficient. I'm just going to use this to really scrub inside of the toilet bowl, making sure I've cleaned it thoroughly.
Everything I see, recalling the things I won't remembering a feel.
And now I'm literally going to repeat myself in the downstairs toilet, taking all of the things you just saw me use, and I'm going to just repeat the process on the downstairs loo.
And face the world again, and I don't know where I would be or where I'd go if you.
And now I've done those toilets, I want to do both of the sinks as well. I'm just going to spray them with the Flash. This is a frosted eucalyptus splash spray, which smells amazing, and a nice clean cloth. And I'm just going to wipe down the sink. There is a lot of toothpaste marks that seem to have gathered this week, where I just haven't had time to do any cleaning really, because I've had a really fun, busy week with the boys, which is absolutely fine. But it means it's obviously built up a little bit more than normal. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm really working hard on the sinks and getting everything off. I also want to take a second to wipe down the shower screens, and the quickest way to do this if you're in a rush is to use the Flash glass spray. I'm using the lavender scented one. I'm literally just going to spray it on and rub it, and it is so quick and efficient at getting rid of stubborn watermarks. The next thing on my list I really wanted to do today was change bedding. I'm going to start in our bedroom. I'm going to strip down the bed and put on some lovely fresh bedding. Next I'm going to do my 6-year-old's bed, but I cannot change his bedding until I pick up all of this stuff off the floor, because it will just drive me crazy. So I'm just going to have a quick pick up and put all of these toys back. To be fair, it was his little brother that made this mess and not him. He loves to come in here and just cause destruction. But once I've put all this away, I can change the bedding. And last but not least, I'm going to change my 2-year-old's bedding. While I'm up in the bedrooms, I also just want to give them a quick surface dust, and the quickest way to do this, I think, if you are in a hurry, is to use the Flash dust magnet. So I'm just going to go around all of the bedside tables, surfaces, etc. in all of the bedrooms and just give it a real quick sweep over with the Flash dust magnet. Now that's complete, last but not least, I'm going to vacuum all of the carpets upstairs. This always is a signal to me that I finished when I see those lovely satisfying lines in the carpet. It makes me feel so productive, and I think I had about 2 minutes to spare at this point. I think I went over by a couple of minutes in the end, but I was pretty chuffed actually with my timekeeping today. And the boys got home shortly after this, and we had a pretty crazy busy weekend doing Halloween things, pumpkin carving, Halloween parties, you name it. So once I got all of this out of the way, I felt so much more clear-headed and able to relax with my boys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next one.